Dear Sir, dear Madam, my name is Jagat Roshan and I'm a day trader. I have no any government or private company job and I do not have any business. Now I'm a full-time Forex trader, but I have tried to become success on e-commerce websites and freelancing websites, but unfortunately so many problems prevent me and became resistant for my word. But Master Ahmed Daniel, who expert of forex trading, I have followed his strategies and I have watched all his YouTube videos for months and practiced on demo accounts until that really worked for me. Sir Ahmed Daniel is a truly good human and great teacher for me. I have done a lot of hard work. Actually, trading is not easy. Sometimes it can take 2 or 3 years to recognize the real market, sometimes even more. So I had to watch so many forex trading YouTube video tutorials and I have tested on my demo account for months until they work for me. Anything can possible when you ready for it. Only thing is you need start today and continue until tomorrow. Don't give up because this is your dream, not mine. When you complete your homework, it will be millions of worth. Master Bruce Lee once has said that he never afraid of person who know thousands of shots, but he is afraid to someone who practice the same shot for thousands of times.